Hi guys. Hi guys, it's me. Look at this quality right now. I did it. I bought a camera because you guys deserve the best from me. And my iPhone 11 camera was not giving that. So here we are. I got a camera and would you believe me when I said I have filmed this video 3 times now? Because each time I played it back on my laptop and I was gonna go to edit it and I was like, why do I look like Casper the fucking ghost? Like, look at this. I watched a tutorial and the guy was like, hey, you have to turn off the beauty filter on the camera. I was like, why is there a beauty filter incorporated automatically into a digital camera? Like, I didn't understand. Like, I looked airbrushed. It was super weird. So I figured it out. I'm here now. I'm ready to go. Yeah. Oh, I haven't even told you what the video is about yet. Today I bring to you, fresh from my bedroom, a base and brow routine. So if you want to know how I go from this to this, then keep watching. All right, we're ready to go. I am obviously beginning with a bare face. I've got my skincare and my moisturizer on and everything is ready to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my face. I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I got this gifted about a week ago. I've really been enjoying it. Really been enjoying it. Just putting it on like any other primer. I just used 2 pumps of it. I've let that kind of work into my skin for a bit, and now I'm gonna go in with the next step. I'm using the, I don't completely know what it's called because the label came off. Something Perfector. It's a 4-in-1 makeup glow. It's like primer, what does it say? Primer, concealer, highlighter, and BB cream. I'm using this in the shade 01 Light. I like this because I am not a big fan of foundation. I don't like the feeling of too much makeup on my skin. Even like if it's too much concealer or powder, it makes me feel really itchy. So this is really nice because I wanted something for the summer that was gonna give me kind of a glow from within or whatever. So I'm happy that I was able to come across this. Okay, you see it doesn't do much in like terms of coverage. My skin tone is more even. I sometimes get reddening around my nose. So this just kind of helps with kind of an underlying layer, I suppose. Next, I'm going in with the Age Rewind from Maybelline. I don't know what shade this is because it has rubbed off, but it is a lighter one. And that's where I apply my concealer. And then same just as with the foundation, just blending it in with a beauty blender. So this is actually the first time I'm going to be trying this product. This is a bronze stick from ColourPop in the shade Manhattan Beach. Oh wow. It's very, very orange. What I'm gonna do is apply it with a brush. I'm not gonna go in directly on my face with it. Okay. That's really pretty. And that blended out really well. I would usually be using the Freck Face Hack, which is also a really great product. But this is very nice. A little bit on my nose. Ooh, it's way too much on my nose. Cool. I approve of this. Next, I'm using the Milk Lip and Cheek stick in the shade Quickie. Really, really nice berry shade. I don't know if that was in focus at all. But I am just applying that directly onto my cheek. I know I just went so like aesthetic applying my bronzer with a brush, and now it's just like slap it on. And this is a very sheer product, which is nice because it's buildable. But if you know me, you know I'm a blush girly. I love looking like I've just been like out in the cold and like, oh, you know, put me in front of a fireplace. Something like that. So I did just apply a little bit of that on my nose as well, and then whatever I have left over on the sponge, I'm gonna bring down onto my chin. And that's it for cream products. Before I move on to powder though, in the summer especially, I really like setting in between like each layer, I guess. So I'm gonna be doing this before I put on powder. I'm using the Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray from Milk Makeup. Whew. This feels so nice. It's really refreshing. I feel like I just sprayed, like, you know those water things that you can get that like Evian sells them or something? It just mists you with water. It's like that, but keeps your makeup on. So I've seen the pink powder hack, and I did, while I was going through my makeup, find this Givenchy, but I want to use it to set my under eyes and have it more like leading into my blush, I guess, afterwards. This is fully expired, but I wanted to try it out and see how I felt about it. Definitely, I mean, it's really great setting powder. This is the, I didn't even tell you the name. Prisma Libre. Oh my god. In shade 3. I'm not gonna say it. Oh, fuck. Just got powder everywhere. I didn't want to do that. This is it. Prisma Libre. I'm gonna use my trusty Airspun in the shade Translucent for the rest of my face and just use a big old powder brush. Now I'm going in with the Kaleidos Symphony Contour Trio in the shade Light, which has seen better days. Going into both shades and just contouring. Like, I'm not bronzing my face, so I'm not going like up and out very far where I did put the bronzer before. I'm just focusing it where my bone structure naturally has, where it goes in. So now I'm going to put on powder blush. I'm using a Morphe L101, which is like a really nice angle brush, so it fits really well on my cheekbone. And I'm using the ColourPop Pressed Powder Blush in New to You. And I'm just popping that right above my contour and sort of marrying them. And again on the nose, because I love a good nose blush, a little bit on the chin, and that's literally it. I just go in with my powder brush and make sure everything is really like seamlessly blended. Don't want any harsh lines. You guessed it. It's time once again. It's so weird. I haven't been wearing a highlighter in a really long time. I don't know. It used to be like a daily thing. I just slap on a bunch of highlighter. Like, I loved being like really extra and glowy and stuff, but like not even glowy, like reflective. For For the sake of today's video, I will be using a highlighter. I'm using the Half Magic Light Trap in Enter the Glow, which is a really pretty champagne color. But before I put on a highlighter, I'm gonna use the Kaleidos Tone Activator, which is an eye primer. Okay, highlighter. I'm using a Zoeva Luxe highlight brush. I've had this for so long. And tap it into some of that product. And then just plopping it where a highlight would go. See, it's really pretty. I will now be doing my brows. I'm gonna bring you in closer for that. Hi. So I only use 3 products for my eyebrows. The first is the Revolution Blade Brow. I really like this because it has like a thinner side and then a thicker side. And so you can replicate hairs really easily, which is what I'm gonna be doing now. I'm just gonna start with a very light hand to fill in my brows, and we're just replicating little hairs. And I'm just gonna repeat that on the other side now. All right, so that is my brows filled in. Next, I go in with a liquid eyeliner, actually. This is from Maybelline. Again, the name has rubbed off in time. Something Precise All Day. There we go. So I start in the middle, and then I work my way out to the tail and just darken that area. I don't really use this in the front. I kind of go in and just do some small little hair moments just to blend where I did start putting that color. And that's it. Last and final step for eyebrows is the Half Magic Grippy Brow. This product, I swear to you, is the only eyebrow gel that has ever worked for me. But this is the only product that actually gels my eyebrows. Very, very final step while I've got you over here is I use the Freck Noir, and I have 3 beauty marks, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 over here. And I just go in and retrace them, redraw them. Yeah, I just like the way it looks. I don't know why. I do dab over them before it dries down because I don't want it to be too dark to the point where it looks unnatural. Well, that's it. Oh, wait, I did forget one more thing. One more round, just for extra hold. That's it. That is my base and brow routine. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for giving me your time today. I appreciate you. I love you. If you like this video, if you like me, make sure to like and subscribe and leave me a comment of what you'd like to see from me. If you have not had enough of me, it does happen, I promise. You can also follow me on my other social media. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and thank you once again for watching, for tuning in. See you soon. Bye-bye.